Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the Sneaker Fiend. Now today we're going over the Air Max 2090s, set to release March 26th. Now before we get into the sneaker, make sure if you are new to the channel you subscribe, hit that like button if you like the content, follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. With that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks, let's get it. So this shoe is set to release March 26th at select Nike retailers and the Nike Sneakers app. It's retailing for $150, and I do have to say, with all the new technology, that price point is pretty fair. Now I will be getting into all the new materials here in a second, but let's just quickly look over the sneaker, starting off with the box. It comes in your normal Nike orange and white box. Pull the shoes out. This is the first colorway that will be dropping. I am not 100% sure on the colorway. On the box it just says pure platinum, black and white. Just at first glance I am already amazed. There's so much going on with this shoe, so much detail. You got new technology and whole new look to the Air Max model. Colorway is really clean. It is a primarily white and black colorway. You do have hints of orange and blue. You got some orange and blue stitching running along the shoe. Then you have an orange rope-like heel tab. So as far as new materials, what do you get? Well, first off, you have more air. More air underfoot creates a softer, more comfortable ride, while 360 degrees of ribbed, translucent rubber frames your air for a bold, futuristic look. And you also have classic features. The foam midsole and rubber also provide durable cushioning and traction, while flex grooves let you move naturally. So you do have a very nice traction. I absolutely love the look of this outsole and midsole. The air unit is just, I don't know, I love air units on all sneakers. I think they just look super cool. So holding in hand, it's not that heavy, but there is definitely some weight on this heel section. Everywhere else seems super light, but you do have some weight back here. I don't know if that's gonna be an issue, so I definitely will try on feet. I'll let you guys know in this video how sizing works, you know, what the weight of the sneaker feels like on feet. So just stay tuned, I'll get into that here in a second. So with this modern design, the new speed design lets you quickly lace up and go, while the internal booty construction and padded heel feels snug and comfortable for all day wear. As you guys can see right here, it is the one piece booty upper. Gonna keep your foot secure. Then you got the quick lacing pattern going up here. You'll be able to slip this right on, tighten it up super quick, and you know, get to your daily activities. So like I said, I do like this design. One of my favorite parts is the heel section. The grooves that you have running along the midsole and going up into this little back spot where the Nike Air normally would be for an Air Max. You kind of see the Nike swoosh in there, as well as some writing for like the 2090 up on the top. Now, before I get into the on foot, I will be planning on wearing this shoe for a good 2 weeks to a month. Wear them casually, let you guys know how they hold up. That way you guys can decide whether you want to pick up the shoe, because there's so much to the sneaker, and I already know there's a lot of people who are asking a lot of questions. You don't only want to know about the looks of the shoe or the price, you want to know how it performs, how comfortable it is, can you wear it throughout your whole day, standing up or whatever it may be. So I will be testing this out as a lifestyle shoe, and then I will be coming back with a separate video with the after wear review. If you guys do want to see that video, definitely subscribe, that way you guys don't miss that video. With that being said, let's get into the on feet.
Pull out a drop top, with a thought, Fiji got that drip drop. Watch her wrist lock, shorty cross on lockjaw. Yeah, the ball hot, keep the Jimmy like I'm neutron. High blast off, diamonds dancing, call it salsa. I got hot sauce, scoring, crying on his skirt off. It's a push toss. I got K's, but no take K. Free that crit, ayy. I got youngins with them big flames, blow your damn brain. Her name Diamond, I'm the rock, Muhammad Ali, high talk. Sippin' walk on your block with this rocket in my sock. Ain't no police when it knock. She call me Jack, I'm in her boss. I feel like and we gon' ball. Bitch, I'm a dog. No Tina Turner soda, so I got no haul. And we gon' ball. Bitch, I'm a dog. No Tina Turner soda, so I got no haul. I got a Glock in the center of my six pack. Running with Ames, she don't want it, so get back. She call me baby, I told her I'm big. Said talk to me nice, so I'm how you get whacked. That be your bitch when she sucking on dick. All of my niggas, we all with
the shit. Targets that collar and inside the tent. Run up the price of that nigga, bitch, and we gon' ball. Bitch, I'm a dog. No Tina Turner soda, so I got no haul. And we gon' ball. Bitch, I'm a dog. No Tina, we gon' ball. I was a young nigga, I ain't high shit. Sleeping on any other different mattress. Mama told me that I had to go grab it. As soon as I make it, I'm buying a mansion. I was a young nigga, I ain't high shit. Sleeping on any other different mattress. Mama told me that I had to go grab it. As soon as I make it, I'm buying a mansion. She give me top and I feel like a pro. The way you be riding me, I cannot go. Little nigga and he carry the ball. Big 40 and it blowing your dome. I got some demons I cannot let go of. I got some demons I can't.
Bam. The Air Max 2090 on feet. This shoe, I'm very impressed with the booty lining. It is absolutely super comfortable. Now the sizing on this sneaker does run true to size. I think if you get your size, you are going to be very impressed with the sneaker. Now, like I said, the heel section is a little heavy, and wearing on feet, you can definitely notice it. I don't ever really wear Air Maxes anyway. I usually wear Jordan 1s, other sneakers like that. So most of the shoes I wear, they're low to the ground, they're pretty flat. So with this big heel section, it does feel a little weird at first. It's gonna take some getting used to. Like I said, I will be wearing this shoe for a good 2 to 4 weeks. That way I can give you guys a after review. After getting them on feet, after looking at them in hand, I definitely like the shoe. I definitely think if you're an Air Max fan, you definitely need to try these out. If you're just looking for some everyday casual comfortable shoes that look good, these are a definite go for. Again, March 26th on Nike.com and the sneakers app, as well as other select retailers. I will try to leave a full store list in the description. That way you guys can find all the places that will be dropping this shoe. I personally don't think this shoe is gonna sell out, but there is a possibility that it does. I give this shoe a good 9 out of 10. Just strictly off of how comfortable this shoe is. It's very simple. The colorway is on point. The materials are on point. It's just one of the most comfortable shoes I've ever worn, honestly, and it looks good. Therefore, that's gotta be at least a 9 out of 10. But with that being said, let me know what you guys think of the sneaker. Are you going for this shoe? Are you gonna go for the shoe now that you've seen this video? Again, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. With that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out. And bam, there you guys have it, the on foot redo. Bam, there you guys have it, the bam.